The Dream. On March 25, 1961, John F. Kennedy announces his dream to the world: land a man on the moon and return him safely to the Earth. This started the Apollo mission. Apollo 1. The 3 astronauts were practicing countdown to prepare for the trip when all of a sudden a big fire happens in the cockpit, and the 3 astronauts died. The date was January 27th, 1967. Apollo 2. The Commander model was grounded forever because it was built the same as Apollo 1, and they found after the fire many problems. Apollo 3. NASA decided after Apollo 1 blew up and Apollo 2 was grounded that there will never be an Apollo 3. Apollo 4. On November 9, 1967, Apollo 4 launches as an unmanned rocket and circles Earth, then orbits a second time, and then this third stage regenerates and pushes the spacecraft more than 10,000 miles above the Earth, and then it safely splashes down in the Pacific Ocean. The same thing happened in Apollo 5. Apollo 6. April 4, 1968. Apollo 6 blasts off unmanned. Its goal was to test Saturn V rocket with a heavier load. The mission was a failure because the engine designed to push the ship out of the Earth orbit and on its way to the moon won't ignite. Everyone loses confidence. 3 brave astronauts were going to be the first manned mission. They circle Earth 163 times for 11 days. One problem was that they got a cold while in space and decided not to wear helmets for landing so they could plug noses and pop ears. Mission controls was not happy, but they landed with no injuries. Apollo 8. Goal is to orbit the moon and return home. They are successful, go around the moon 10 times. Mission is to carry a lunar model named Spider and land on the moon and provide a home there for the astronauts, and also wear a suit and backpack in the vacuum of space. A spacewalk? It's successful, and they are in space for 10 days. Apollo 10. Mission is to fly a lunar model miles from the moon and scout the landing site for the next mission. They find a good landing site, the Sea of Tranquility. Apollo 11. July 16, 1969. Astronaut Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins launch into space. They are nervous, but they touch down, and Armstrong says, "The Eagle has landed." And when he takes his first step, he says, "That's one small step for a man and one giant leap for mankind."